especially whenever I make a decision. So I go through the things. I thoroughly go through it and check the merits and demerits, and after that I make a decision in a good way.
That's great. What do you consider your weaknesses?
My weakness is mostly nowadays using social media mostly. So I definitely waste your time and definitely you will not be able to manage any kind of time because of the social media. And this is I think mostly 90% of the youth is involved in this thing.
Okay.
What is your greatest professional achievement?
Whenever we were fighting the battle of survival, so when I get the admission in Credit Card Lisma, so that was my biggest achievement in my life, and I still remember that.
Tell me about your education.
Uh, I got my primary education by my village. My village is Bador. Actually, it is not a village, it's a district, and my village is Cameroon. And then after that, I shifted to Credit College Lisma, and from there I completed my intermediate, and now I'm studying in UAT now.
ओके बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे फोकस करना है, गर्दन की थोड़ी सी एरियाज को सीधा करना है, ठीक है, और ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है इसको थोड़ा चेंज करना है. There should be a variety of expressions. Language is good, but delivery should be focused.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.